Understanding the phrase, get a laugh, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the exciting world of English idioms and phrases. Today, we're going to dive into the phrase, get a laugh. It's a fun and commonly used expression in English, and understanding it can really help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's get started. Get a laugh is an interesting phrase that refers to causing amusement or laughter in others. It's often used when someone says or does something that is funny, and as a result, people around them laugh. Think of it as a way to measure the success of a joke or a funny comment. If you get a laugh, it means your attempt at humor was successful. To understand this phrase better, let's look at some examples. 1. During the party, Mike told a joke that really got a laugh from everyone. 2. She loves to get a laugh from her classmates with her witty remarks. 3. I tried to get a laugh by imitating the teacher, but no one found it funny. In these examples, you can see how the phrase is used in different contexts, always related to making others laugh. It's important to know the right situations for using this phrase. Get a laugh is perfect for casual, informal conversations. It's great for sharing experiences about funny moments, talking about comedy or humor, discussing reactions to jokes or humorous situations. However, it's less appropriate in formal or serious contexts, as it relates to humor and lightheartedness. There are some variations to this phrase that are also good to know. For example, get a giggle. This means to cause a smaller, perhaps more subtle laugh. Crack someone up. This is a more intense version, meaning to make someone laugh a lot or very hard. Understanding these variations can enrich your conversation skills in English. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, get a laugh. Remember, phrases like this can add color and personality to your English. I hope this video helps you feel more confident in using get a laugh in your conversations. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice and have fun with the language. See you in the next video.